first, the Word of God. Okay guys, so today is October 11th. No, today is October 12th. Yesterday Zion turned 6 months and we're supposed to take some pictures. We booked and everything. Our appointment was at 11:30, but we left the house at 11:20, so it didn't work out yesterday. So we booked another place, a different place this time. It's all the way in Richardson. That's where we're going to take his pictures, and then he's gonna take pictures with his sisters as well.
Yay! Now can we have all three of them laying down? Yeah, forward. Now you have to smile. You have to smile. Yeah, get really close, guys. Yeah, really close. There we go, right there. Can you do me a favor? Hey, babies. Bless you, baby. Look, guys. Allison, put your chin down a little bit, baby, right here. Yeah, there you go, right there. That's perfect. Right there, yeah. There you go. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yay, good job. Mama, give a yeah. There you go. Look at me. Smile, smile, smile. Girls, look at me. Smile. Wow, you have to smile really big.
You have to smile. You have to smile really big.
1, 2, 3. Together. Can you get really close together, girls, and hug each other? Like really in the middle? Right there. Can you hug your sister, baby? Like this? Like this? There. And then put your heads together. Right there. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at me, girls. Make sure you're looking at me. At me, baby. At me.
Look at smile.
Me.
How is it? Look at the camera.
And you just look at me and smile. There you go.
Give her a kiss again.
One more time. There you go. There, and then now you give her a kiss.
Give her a kiss. Wait.
The other way around.
How is it?
No. Your sister.
No, Allison. Zoe. Allison, give you a kiss.
So cute.
So adorable.
You guys are adorable. All right, so let's go ahead and sit down, girls. Go ahead and sit down together.
So I realized that I forgot to film an outro for this video. Actually, the intro even was fast because we were, again, running late. But thank God we made it out on time and all the pictures came out so nicely. If you want to see the pictures, definitely follow me on Instagram at Lisaofficiallylive. This is the end. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see more. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be safe. God bless. Bye.